Are you dreaming of a custom log home? Cozy Cabins builds cozy modular log homes throughout the Northeast. Every one of our modular log homes is built in a climate-controlled facility and delivered to the job site in large sections with the kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, and lighting already installed. This helps us maintain a high standard of quality and eliminates most of the weather-related delays that often plague traditional construction sites. Special delivery equipment makes it easier to deliver large home modules and access challenging build sites. The home's modules are carefully hoisted from the transport rig by a crane and precisely placed on your foundation system. Modern modular techniques allow the roof to be folded flat for transport and then be hinged into place when the home is secured on the foundation. All aspects of the homes are fully designed before construction begins, including the panelized gable walls and peak sections. These are each carefully installed after the roof is erected. You can customize your new home in many ways, including optional dormers. A rear shed dormer expands your usable upstairs space. A-frame dormers on the front provide space and natural lighting, while adding visual appeal. Every log home needs a front porch. That's why porches are a standard feature on each and every style we offer. This owner chose to expand the porch to a full 10-foot depth. A variety of roofing options are available. In this example, the owner chose to install a standing seam metal roof. The work continues inside as the crew completes the upper ceiling and final trim work. Within just a few weeks following delivery, your new home is ready to be occupied and enjoyed. Kitchens are custom built by local craftsmen and are ready for immediate use. The standard knotty pine interior with a clear finish is durable and attractive. It also adds a pleasant aroma to every room. By installing your home on a full basement, you can have a great location for extra living space or even a game room. Cozy Cabins, where rustic charm and modular construction meet. Contact us today to learn more about building your customized log home. Allow us to customize a design that fits your needs. Experience a new log home or cabin built with high-quality modular craftsmanship.